Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will share with you an analysis on Bitcoin and the reasons why we can be ahead of a big crash. So stay with me up to the end of the video. Please don't forget to hit the like button and follow as well. So let's begin on the monthly chart. As you can see, Bitcoin was moving in a range between these points here, between 57 473 460 for several months. It was for 1 2 3 4, and this is the fifth month that the price is breaking down. It will be required 26 days until this candle closed before this area here, but this breakdown is showing that after a very long period of time in correction, in consolidation here, the price is invalidating a very solid structure zone. So this is the first reason why we have to be careful. If we are going to look at the previous structure zone on the left side of the chart, the price was showing at the beginning that the chances were very high for a bigger movement from this area. It was showing for this movement, for a possible bullish wave. But as you can see, it didn't manage to rise further or to make any solid close. So we had close for 2 months and later it moved down. So far, this is opening the doors for more downside from this area. So let's see what can happen in a lower time frame. If we are going to look at on a weekly time frame, we can observe something that has a clear pattern as well. We may see these 2 points here, and the price is breaking down from a very strong structural area. This was the monthly support zone, and the chances are that it can confirm a possible double top pattern. So this is very important at this moment, as you can observe from the chart, and this is also where I'm focused so far. The chances are that if the candle closes below this area, below 56,580, this will confirm a double top pattern and it will open the door for more downside here. So this is the pattern that we have to pay close attention to. Everything will be related with the close of the candle. On the weekly chart, it looks really interesting. And on a daily chart, we may observe that this is the first day that the price is already breaking down. That is why we have to be very patient at this moment. We have to see how the price will close today. If we are going to have a solid close below this zone, then this will raise the chances for further downside. So let's see for the targets at this moment. This is the best time frame that we can look at. The chances are that after the price will close this candle, it may retest the broken neckline of the pattern. This is our possible scenario for a possible double top pattern. Here we have our neckline. Just one moment. The price should stay below this area in order to continue to move down from this point. And what I'm looking at for the depth of this head and shoulder pattern. This is approximately 23% as a movement, and we are expecting the same price projection from this area. As you can see, it looks very interesting where the price can make as a minimum movement. As we all know, the double top pattern the first target for the double top pattern is projected from the neckline of the pattern, so we have to look at for the distance from the top to bottom of this area, and we have to project this from the neckline. This is the first target that we may look at on a daily time frame. It is normal that the price will spend some days before it moves lower. Probably it may spend also weeks. During the previous time, the price created this wave for about 27 days. Another one was created for about 19 days, so we can assume that it can move down between 20 days and 1 month. So this is the bearish movement that we may anticipate on a higher time frame. So this is the first target that we can look at. And also another bigger target that we may focus if we increase on a weekly time frame. We can see that this target makes sense overall, because on the left side of the structure we have structure zone here, and we have also structure zone on the left side, so it's a very dense structure. If we want to be more conservative at this point on taking profits, you can take profits also on this area. I really like this structure zone because we are talking about an old structure zone at this moment. And we can see that also 48,000 can be a very strong support zone and also a target zone for taking profits during the coming months. We can observe here that we have another support zone. One is at this moment and one is at this moment. The chances are that the price can continue moving down further from this point if it will break down to 43,000. However, this is a normal and conservative targets. If you are going to look at for a bigger crash on Bitcoin, then I think that it makes sense that we can look at on the next weekly structure zone that corresponds to 31,000. But for this movement, we have to wait a lot because the price can spend a lot of time before it moves lower. What is very important at this moment is that we have to see Bitcoin price to close below this zone here. This is our pattern. This is what we need for the moment. We need to see the price to close below 56,500. A possible retest, because I don't think that Bitcoin is going to move down so quickly. And later we can see for selling opportunities near to the resistance zone, and later the price should continue moving down further. So this is what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. I hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. Bye bye.